am so pumped for today. Hoping to show you some behind the scenes, several brand shoots where we're doing photos and videos, and then my last shoot of the day, we are doing a set of reels and kind of blend that with, you know, more of an organic look inside the platform. So that's what we've got going on today. We're gonna flip this whole space around, use the white backdrop. Hold on, I've got hair glued into my eyes or something. Gotta do this. The coffee is coming in strong today. I'm on a higher maintenance dose of prednisone. I've been on prednisone for 10 months now. And then Benlysta. For breakfast this morning, we've got a concoction of pills, including vitamin D. And I know if I share pills, people will tell me not to take them, but just throwing this out there. A lot of scratch on my screen. What? Nuh-uh. No, it's not. It's a glare. Is that a glare? I think I have a scratch on my lens. How? No, I don't think so. I don't have a scratch, no. I have been incredibly nauseous since starting this new med. It's technically chemo, but it's tiny and yellow. That's all it is. So I've got that, prednisone, my hydroxy, the pill for lupus patients, and Benlysta. This thing is... I hate shots. I freaking hate shots, but it has changed my life. Keep on giving ourselves a shot each week. And then vitamin D, because I'm like a vampire. I have to avoid the sun. So an elliptical wouldn't fit, so trampoline it was. Okay. Let's flip this place.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right.
First client gets here at 10:30, maybe a little before, and it's 9:45 right now. So I'm gonna write an outline for the video that I need to record and edit and launch today. The one from our Valentine's shoot. I haven't done the like, sit down, talk it out with the camera yet on that shoot. The day of that shoot, I had a terrible fever. I was so sick. And so I was like, you know, I'm not gonna do a full-on vlog. I'm just gonna focus on creating, do some time lapses, an intro and outro. Tell me what you think, but I kind of think it adds a fun layer. Like if we have the vlog from that day with some behind the scenes time lapses, and then you add this other element of just sitting and talking to the camera, which by the time you're seeing this, the video would be live. So you should go watch that video, link down below in the description and up above if I can remember to put it there.
Like nothing can break me. Now I know.
It is 2:44 p.m. and I'm gonna go home, take a nap, probably sleep until dinner time. I'm just going like this. Okay, I'll see you soon tomorrow. Yeah, bye. Okay, good morning. It is a good day to be alive. I went home, picked up the kids early. Isaac ordered a pizza and we just chilled for the whole night. I can be somebody who just pushes through, and it's not the healthiest decision. Always hit deadlines, but then there are some of those projects that, you know, you're doing for yourself, like YouTube, where you have a deadline and it's really important for me to hit that, but at the same time, I have to take care of myself so that I can be in the game for the long run. So yeah, good morning to you. We're gonna edit some photos and videos for brands and then get started on a YouTube video. It's gonna be a chill day. Got my sweatshirt and everything.
We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line.
Whoa. So yeah, it's Monday and I am so sorry that I did not post that video last week. Just needed some time off, I guess, for my health. It's supposed to be a recording day, so I'm sitting down writing my script. This is something I really want to do on Fridays or the end of the week, but since last week was so crazy, I'm writing them today, and look at this. I don't know where I stopped. Did you see me check off my things? I don't even know if you saw me check off a ton of content but I did. I've scripted it out. If you did, well, you know, yay. Before I do hair, makeup, nails, clean the office, and then record for the rest of the day, I've got 2 YouTube videos that I need to write the script for, do a really rough edit. And when I say write the script, one of them will probably be a lot more structured with what I'm saying in certain parts of the video. And then the other stuff, I just canned it. Like, I'm just gonna walk through, hey, here are the poses that you can do in a really small space. Like when you're using a backdrop, you're limited with your space and your angles. As a former wedding photographer, you know, you're used to making certain angles work and like knocking out 100 poses in one spot. So anyways, I'm gonna do a video, show like behind the scenes of that, and then X amount of poses in a small space. So I'm not sure that I've ever worn one of these on video. I wear them a lot at home. Has absolutely nothing to do with the chemo that I'm on for lupus. It's actually because of lupus. Like, I just have a ton of hair loss. And if I don't want to sweep up tons of hair throughout the day, and then it's also been nice, like I can sleep in it and my hair doesn't get all frizzy. So there are bonuses. The medicine I'm on obviously can make me lose hair, but since we're using it to try to calm down my overactive immune system, essentially, hopefully it will help lessen my flares, which means less hair loss. Pause music. It's so weird to see this in horizontal format because I've been filming reels. Forgot to tell you. Okay, if they mind me yelled, I'm sorry. When you're using color backdrops, I like to point one of these back toward the wall, put the other one right towards me to create like a really soft glow. Like that. Yeah, okay. Veil, I'm going to take a break, switch up my look so I can record some more reels. I got a lot left. We're gonna do this. Pause music. Hey, okay, so my camera's gonna die because I've been recording reels on it. That the reason you should batch your work is because by the end of it, you're crazy. You're doing all kind of this stuff and you're like into it, you're ready, you're confident, so batch your work. So it's not that much work for you. You get into the zone, you get into the rhythm, you create better content. It's just good. So yes, I will see you in the next video. Cannot wait. Thank you for hanging out with me. YouTube's the place where I feel like I really get to be myself and show my whole self, not just these fragments, just because we spend more time together. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more videos just like this. Most of the time I'm posting photography content. So if you like that kind of thing, subscribe. I'm also gonna add some social media content here because why not? See you guys, I'm cheering you on.